Checked my phone and saw you rang and I lived in my past, beating on the street.
Okay, now we're starting the 2021 firework vlog. Now, Eric, you're gonna have to show off your
Oh my god.
hair, because that's what we did in 2020.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Oh yeah. Bye bye quarantine hair. Alright, cut this.
Let's see what the status is.
Ooh.
Look at that. Ooh.
Son. Ooh,
It's shorter than
son.
last time.
I'm out of focus. Scan back action.
Now you're in.
You ready for some 3D
focus.
action? Oh. My Second Amendment hat, boys. Oh.
Oh yeah.
From the
Hodge
Hodge
twins.
twin.
Okay, get the fuck out of here. Alright, so we're gonna set up.
Hold on. Can I use it?
Yeah.
What's up, ladies on the internet? Look at this. Oh, daddy's money. Daddy's money. I can't tell. Ooh, ooh. Some action shots. Oh, doggy. Ooh. All right.
Is it a little messy in there?
Little dirty. Then there's a piece of crap over there. Twisting it back.
Get that snapback action.
Some good angle shots. Alright, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, so then we're gonna come back when we're probably gonna eat some food.
Boy, it's not a riddle.
Wait,
That's how we're gonna retire. We're just gonna charge.
Yeah, we start charging our kids.
and then there's
We
like, I'm gonna
start,
sleep
we
here.
start robbing from their piggy bank. We robbed their paychecks.
Exactly.
Good one.
Because they thought, oh, it's so lovely. Our parents never charge us anything. What are you looking at, hon? Everything's
I'm
all
looking at this rat in here.
Oh.
Jeff's like, still in my stealth mode, everybody.
Stealth mode.
Stealth mode.
Stealth
Nobody can
mode.
see me.
Hey.
Eric.
Eric, no, not in here.
You're a
Use the
spaz.
bathroom just because of
You're a
the-
spaz.
There's dirty crap
Mom
in here.
doesn't want
No,
any
I
of this
don't
stuff
want water
splattered
flinged
all
up
over
on that because it's going to ruin it. I'm sorry, I had to put it down.
Use the bathroom. Bathroom!
I'm filming it all. I'm filming it all.
And it's like, these people are weird.
Oh, it's such a
As,
lovely
as many times we say it. You filming me,
Yeah.
little.
Yeah, get that camera out of my face.
Act like you can. Mom will be Karen.
That's right. Ken and
Indeed.
Karen.
Ken and Karen.
Welcome to bar home. What are you thinking? What's going on?
Yeah, the echo.
I'm hot. Jeez, I think like the little thing like radiates everything.
No balls you want to jump over.
Yeah,
That's good.
it, like pushes it straight out to you. I don't feel on my leg.
Yeah, I know. Burn.
I ain't got no more back.
I should have waited a little bit. Don't blow your face off there.
That'd be a little bit louder. You hear it take off?
This is my dick.
Oh, okay.
What?
Let me not second.
Hey,
This is mine, not yours.
hey, angle it more towards us, not all the way over there.
Yeah.
I want to hear it.
This is for Joe Biden. Trump is better.
God.
Whoa!
That was loud. That was loud.
You're gonna close this up?
Hold on, I'll do it for you.
This is for all the faggots and queers.
Sorry.
You're gonna be.
That's what they liked.
You're gonna be banned for. Hey, Emily, you want to see one of the clip? You didn't get to see how high it goes.
What? Look over there.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Those are loud.
Wow, those are
Yeah, wow.
loud. Jesus. Are you ready for the Jake Paul fight?
Yeah, I bought season tickets.
When he's fighting again?
Yeah.
You mean
Oh,
he's
Jesus
losing
Christ.
again? Oh wait.
You look like David Lade. After he like stopped working out for a while. You ran into that one.
Wow.
Got you.
Thanks, man. Woo. Hey, PG. PG, you got the rated R back there.
No, I saved for like Second Amendment.
You got your Red Ryder BB gun?
I got my Red Rider.
Randall, you know you walk around with your shotgun.
Yeah.
Got a little leather on there.
Oh, I know, little leather.
Here, I'll turn the can for you. Hold on.
I don't know. I don't know if it's shooting now.
It is.
Brandon, use your hands. They're already in it.
Yeah.
So I thought I needed